How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Spotify on a device. Now the first method is simply tap on your library. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now tap on playlist. Now enter the playlist name and tap on create. Now to add music, simply tap on the add button. Now search for the songs. Now the next method is tap on the source icon, tap on the search bar and search for your song. Now click on search. Now open up the song. Now click on add to playlist. Now simply tap on new playlist. Now enter the name and tap on create. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.